Hello. It's time for a garden update, even though the garden is not really there yet. Still major work in progress. Doing a lot of different things this year done before. As always, we start with the onions that grow next to the outdoor cooking area. Those are going good. See the one in the pot? I just wanted to see what would happen if you dropped a 10, 15Y onion into a pot. See how it would grow. Moving along. Not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but I'm going to try something different. I'm going to grow a few things this year that I've never grown before. This pot right here will probably be attached to a trellis that'll come up right along here, and we'll see how that goes. Daikon radishes. The freeze came in, took them all out, really made me mad, so I got pissed off, and I threw every daikon radish seed I had in there, threw a little covering of soil over the top of it, and so let's see what happens, guys. So gonna be a lot of thinning going on very soon on this. That freeze also set us back big time on the green peas. I love green peas. My bride, on the other hand, does not love green peas. So replanted, got some growth going on here, and I've got some growth going on this one too. And I've got a tripod set up for them to grow up. Problem is, we're about to hit April, which means we could have 80, 90 degree days on a regular basis. So may not get any green peas this year. May have to go for a fall crop. My voice and stuff sounds funky right now. It's because, once again, I'm sick. Not sure if RSV is back or what, but it's not doing good. Had an old water trough that was cracked and broken and dead. Was going to throw it away and thought, hey, you know what? I can throw some more onions in there. Yeah, it's a little late for onions, but guess what? That big freeze we had took the onions out as well. So on this side right here, I've got 10, 15 Ys. They're not going to get big like they normally would, but they're going to work. Over on this side, I've got the white Granax onions. And down the middle, threw in some flower seeds. I'm going to try and help the pollinators out as much as we possibly can, since we lost our hive of bees this year. That freeze took them out. Hive got opened up and there was not a single survivor. So hoping right now we're going to get some wild bees coming in. If you've seen my shorts and stuff that I've posted in the past couple of months, the bees that I showed at the feeder, which is right over there, those obviously were wild bees because ours were dead in the hive, sadly. Right here, I've got potatoes coming up. These are Kennebec in this one. And right here in this one, we've got Yukon Gold coming up here. We've got another test going on out in a dirt pile, but you'll have to look at a different video for that. Beets, which I don't like, but I'm growing them for a family member. And then we've got mustard greens right here. Mother-in-law loves beets. I love mustard greens, so I'm growing those. A big change this year. I've put down a lot of ground cloth, and I'm going to try and move a lot of things out of here. Also got a trellis. Now this trellis that's right here, I'm going to duplicate it right here in this location, and that's going to have pole beans as well as cantaloupes or melons of some sort on the trellis coming up into it to see. Walk around here, pardon my cough, like I said, I'm not feeling real well. I found this old ladder in the barn. Been sitting out there since we bought the place. I was ready to throw it away. It's all rickety. And I thought, you know what? This may be a good thing to grow some flowers on. So I've got flowers in all of those, calendulas or calendulas or whatever you call them. The rest of them are marigolds. And a lot of these, like the marigolds here, our volunteer crops from last year. They're coming back up as volunteers. Don't know what this guy is right there. This one right here. It's not a marigold. If you know what that is, let me know. But it's growing strong and vigorous. So we'll see. Moving along over to the area where I don't have everything out in the direct sunshine. Got strawberries growing in a crate and a couple of planter boxes. Got one that looking like it's going to be ready to munch on here very soon. There's a couple more in there too that are turning red. But I'm going to tag on to this video, or I may make another video. I'm not sure yet. These are radishes. I've got cherry bell radishes growing here, as you can see, and this is the French dressing radish. I'm going to have to, I got to get those out of the dirt. They're getting up tall. And we're going to harvest those this evening. And for Sunday dinner, we're going to have roasted radishes with sauteed radish greens. And all those radish greens right there, it looks like a lot. It's like spinach. It'll be a spot about that big around after they're all done. So like I said, I'm not sure if I'll tag the harvesting onto this video or not, but it'll be coming very soon. Produce prison. Got a lot of things growing inside, waiting to go inside the produce prison, but it's just not time to get that thing going yet. Everything that I've got going out here are cool or cold weather crops, and we'll see how it goes. So catch y'all in the next video. Let's watch the cows walk away. See you soon. Y'all take care.